Why is data visualization powerful for SaaS analytics? Imagine trying to understand a complex puzzle with hundreds of pieces scattered everywhere. Now picture having a clear picture of the puzzle on a box to guide you. That's what data visualization does for SaaS analytics. It turns massive amounts of raw data into visual formats like charts, graphs, and dashboards that make sense at a glance. SaaS platforms generate a lot of data about how users behave, how systems perform, and key business numbers. Without visualization, this data can feel overwhelming and hard to interpret. But with visual tools, teams can see patterns and trends quickly, making decision-making faster and more accurate. When SaaS companies use data visualization, they simplify complicated data sets. Instead of sifting through endless numbers, they see relationships and important info through visuals that follow a logical order. This helps spot shifts in user engagement or system issues early. Visuals also make it easier to communicate findings. Instead of long reports filled with numbers, teams can share dashboards that tell a story clearly and quickly. This helps everyone understand what's happening and why it matters. Interactive dashboards take this a step further. They let users explore data on their own, ask questions, and find deeper insights. This encourages a culture where decisions are based on real data rather than guesswork. Visual tools are especially useful for monitoring key SaaS metrics like monthly recurring revenue, churn rate, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value. Seeing these figures visually helps teams assess financial health and customer behavior instantly. Faster decisions are another benefit. Visual analytics filter out irrelevant data and highlight what's important, so teams can react swiftly to operational issues or market shifts. This agility keeps SaaS companies competitive. Data visualization also helps manage multiple SaaS tools and integrations. It provides clear overviews of data flows, performance, and contracts, making scaling and operations smoother. In real-world use, SaaS businesses create dashboards that show real-time data on user activity, revenue, and product usage. These visuals help product managers, marketers, and executives make smarter choices quickly. They can optimize user experiences, improve retention, and plan growth strategies more effectively. Overall, data visualization bridges the gap between complex data and practical insights. It turns raw numbers into understandable stories that guide smarter business moves. That's why it's such a powerful tool for SaaS analytics.